Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to install Windows 10 on your PC. There are two methods you can follow to install Windows 10. The first one is by upgrading your old operating system and the second one is a clean install of Windows 10. I would personally recommend you to do a clean Windows 10 installation as upgrading Windows will take a lot of time and after updating some softwares might not even work. So today I'll be showing you how to clean install Windows 10. Before starting, if you want your data not to get deleted, you might as well take a backup of it in your external hard drive or create a partition of your hard drive and take a backup there. If you want to know how to partition a drive, do subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell to receive notification on my upcoming video. Before updating, I would personally recommend you to see the minimum specifications required to install Windows 10 on your PC. After backing up your important data, open Google Chrome and type Windows 10 download in the URL section. There, select the first link which will redirect you to Microsoft website. Don't worry, link will be given in the description below. After that, select the Download Tool Now button and the media creation tool will start to download. It's just 18 MB file, so it wouldn't take time. After the download is complete, open the media creation tool. A Windows writing will pop up followed by a loading animation saying getting few things ready, as you can see. Wait for some time and then accepting license term page will appear. Just select accept and then you will be provided with two options that I discussed before. Select the second option since we will be doing a clean Windows 10 installation and select next. It is best to stick with the recommended option provided by the tool, but it's up to you as you can download both 32 and 64-bit version of Windows 10. Just select next. Now, before proceeding further, you might have noticed that in today's technological world, most of the laptops do not have an optical drive. Hence, to do a clean Windows 10 installation, we'll be creating a USB flashable drive. If you don't have a USB stick, then select the second option to download the ISO image file so that you can create the flashable USB drive later. Otherwise, attach a USB stick which should be at least 8 GB in size and select next. And the downloading of Windows 10 will start, followed by creating a USB flashable drive automatically. Just wait and relax until the whole process is finished. After that, restart your computer and open BIOS Setup utility by continuously pressing the Function 2 button or F2 button on your keyboard. After opening, go to the boot option and first enable USB boot if disabled, and scroll up the USB stick name at the top using function 6 or F6 key to give it the boot priority. After that, save your settings and exit BIOS. You will observe the setup of Windows 10 after some time. You cannot change the language in the version that I am using, or else you can select your preferred language to install. Then select the time and currency format. For me, I will be selecting English India since I am from India and select next. And click on install. Here, enter your Windows activation key or product key. If you have your Windows 7, 8 or 8.1 Windows activation key, it will work, or else select I don't have a product key option so as to activate Windows 10 later. But I recommend you to activate Windows as fast as possible, and this is the fastest method. If you don't have an activation key, don't worry because you can still install Windows 10. Anyways, after inserting Windows product key, select next, and for those who do not have the product key, select the I don't have product key option at the bottom and select the version of Windows 10 you want to install. For example, Let's select Windows 10 Home and select Next. Accept the license terms and select Next and select Custom Install Windows option. Okay, this is a very important section, so move on carefully. There will be many partitions available. You just need to delete each one of them one by one, except the partition in which you have backed up your data. Be careful in deleting partitions. If not backed up in a partition, then delete all partitions. At last, there will be one unallocated space drive. Just select the drive and click on Next, and the installation will take place as you can see. This might take a while, so sit back and relax, and wait until setting up of Windows 10 page opens. Don't worry if several restarts occur, it's completely normal. Just complete the regular setup and log in to your Microsoft account to sync your OneDrive data if you use it, or else skip the network setup. It's all up to you. Voila! You have successfully installed Windows 10 on your PC. Congratulations! I hope this video helped you in understanding the process of installing Windows 10 in your PC. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive notification on my upcoming videos. And as always, thank you for watching.